What is up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Essie, your nail and fragrance bestie, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to apply Gel X using the overlay method plus an easy marble nail design. So I've already chosen my sizes. I am using the medium stiletto natural from Apres. I'm going to go ahead and etch the inside of the tips before we start application. You don't want to skip this step. Next, I'm pushing back my cuticles. Another step you do not want to skip when applying your nails. Prep is key. And then I choose to nip my cuticles. Now, if you don't want to do this, you don't have to, but you want to make sure that you're pushing the cuticles back and getting all of that dead skin off of the nail plate. I'm going to apply a dehydrator. This is the pH bonder, followed by an acid-free primer. And then I'm going to apply a thin coat of the Extend Gel and fully cure for 60 seconds. For application of the tip, you just want to apply a thin layer of the Extend Gel to the tip and then apply a tad bit extra towards the cuticle area. I just usually scoop off whatever is left on the brush. Now for the overlay method, you want to leave a little bit of space between the nail tip and your skin. So you're going to apply it as normal, applying pressure until the gel reaches the free edge of the nail. And then we're going to flash cure this for about 10 to 15 seconds. Once you've applied all of your tips, do a full cure in your large lamp for 60 seconds. So this is what the nails look like once they're fully cured. You have a small amount of empty space there, so we're going to blend that out just a little bit. Today I'm using the 5-in-1 bit from Pana. Now this particular bit is not meant to be used on the natural nail because it's quite coarse. So if you choose to use a bit like this, be really careful, or you can just use like a sanding band for this part. But I'm just going to go around and blend that little ridge into my nail so that it's easier to fill with the Extend Gel. All right, so I do like to buff the shine off of the tips, and I keep going out of frame. I've actually got company and I'm kind of distracted, so forgive me. I do go out of frame a few times in this video, but yeah, I like to go ahead and buff the shine from the nail. Next, we're going to go in with the Extend Gel, and this is what we're going to use to fill in that gap. So I like to concentrate in that area, make sure there's enough product there to fill the gap, and then I just drag it down the rest of the nail. And then for the nail that we're going to do the marble design on, I'm going to use another Extend Gel. This was in the color Jessica. This is one of their colored Extend Gels, and we're just going to follow the same process, kind of concentrate on the area that needs to be filled, and then drag the product down the rest of the nail. I'm going to go in and do a little bit of cleanup with some acetone, and this is what this looks like once I've cured all of the nails and applied all of the Extend Gel. So now it's time for polish. I'm using this color Scarlet from Macart, which is just a classic red, and I'm going to paint all of my nails with the exception of the design nail with this color. And for the marble design, I'm going to be using two gel polishes. The first one is from Madame Glam in the color Inner Peace. So I'm just going to put a little bit of that on my mixing plate, followed by the same red from Macart in Scarlet. Using a dotting tool, I'm just kind of going to mix these together, swirl them together a little bit. I decided that it was too much pink, not enough red, so I decided to add a little bit more red. And again, I'm out of frame. again, but pretty much I'm just adding additional red and then swirling them together again. So now we're going to go in with the blooming gel and apply a thin coat of that to the nail. Do not cure. Take a flat nail art brush, scoop up some of that gel polish, and just lay this directly into the wet blooming gel in whatever type of design you want. I'm just going to go across the middle of the nail and allow it a few seconds to bloom or spread out. So once you've got your desired look, go ahead and fully cure this for 60 seconds as well. Next, we're going to go in with top coat. I'm using one from a cart, and we're going to apply this to all of the nails and fully cure in our lamp for 60 seconds. Now that everything is cured, I'm just going to go in with the hand file just to reshape the nails a little bit and make sure the stiletto is as sharp as possible. And this is what our nails look like. Of course, I'm going to go in and apply some cuticle oil. That is always the finishing touch. I'm going to use the one from Madame Glam. I believe this is lavender scented, if I'm not mistaken. But I'm going to go in and apply cuticle oil to all of my nails and go ahead and rub that in. And that is it. That is a wrap, you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's nail tutorial, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.